I don't think people understand how powerful AI in video is for making money easily. In today's digital age, the potential to earn a substantial income through online platforms has never been greater. With the right tools and strategies, you can tap into this lucrative market and start generating significant revenue. AI in video is one such tool that can help you achieve this goal effortlessly. Imagine being able to create engaging, high-quality videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. This is the power of AI in video, and in this course we're going to show you exactly how to harness it to make $900 a day. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this course will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. We're exposing the secrets to earning $900 a day with AI-powered shorts. This isn't just about making videos, it's about creating content that resonates with your audience and compels them to take action. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a complete beginner, AI in video provides the tools and insights you need to succeed. From identifying trending topics to crafting visually stunning videos, we'll guide you through every step of the process. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage AI in video to maximize your earnings and achieve your financial goals. You'll learn how to create content that not only looks great, but also performs exceptionally well on social media platforms. First things first, viral content is king on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms are designed to promote content that captures the attention of viewers and encourages them to engage with it. The key to success on these platforms is to create videos that are not only visually appealing but also emotionally engaging. This means understanding what your audience wants to see and delivering it in a way that resonates with them. And guess what? With AI in video, you can do just that. The AI tools provided by InVideo make it easy to create content that stands out and gets noticed. You'll be able to produce videos that are tailored to the preferences and interests of your audience, increasing the likelihood of your content going viral. InVideo's AI tools make it a breeze. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with a range of features that simplify the video creation process. Whether you're editing a short clip or producing a longer video, InVideo's AI tools can help you achieve professional quality results with minimal effort. From automated editing suggestions to advanced visual effects, the possibilities are endless. In this course, we'll show you how to make the most of these tools to create videos that not only look great, but also perform well on social media. You'll discover how to use InVideo's features to streamline your workflow and produce high-quality content efficiently. Step 1. Choose a trending topic. The first step in creating viral content is to identify topics that are currently popular and relevant to your audience. This requires a bit of research and analysis, but with the right tools, it can be done quickly and efficiently. InVideo's AI can help you spot what's hot. By analyzing data from various sources, the AI can identify trends and suggest topics that are likely to resonate with your audience. This takes the guesswork out of content creation and ensures that you're always working on topics that have the potential to go viral. You'll learn how to leverage data-driven insights to choose the best topics for your videos. InVideo's AI can help you spot what's hot. The AI tools provided by InVideo are designed to analyze data from various sources and identify trends that are likely to resonate with your audience. This means you can spend less time researching and more time creating. By leveraging the power of AI, you can stay ahead of the curve and ensure that your content is always relevant and engaging. In this course, we'll show you how to use these tools to identify trending topics and create content that captures the attention of your audience. You'll gain a deeper understanding of how to use AI to enhance your content strategy and stay ahead of the competition. Step 2. Create eye-catching visuals. Once you've identified a trending topic, the next step is to create visuals that capture the attention of your audience. This means using high-quality images and videos, as well as incorporating visual effects and animations that enhance the overall look and feel of your content. InVideo's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create stunning visuals with minimal effort. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, you'll find the tools you need to create professional quality videos that stand out on social media. You'll learn how to use InVideo's design tools to create visually appealing content that captures the attention of your audience. Their drag-and-drop interface is so easy, even your grandma can use it. The user-friendly design of InVideo makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their level of experience. With a range of templates and pre-designed elements, you can create stunning visuals in just a few clicks. In this course, we'll show you how to use the drag and drop interface to create videos that not only look great but also perform well on social media. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to create eye-catching visuals that capture the attention of your audience and drive engagement. You'll be able to produce high-quality videos quickly and easily, regardless of your technical expertise. Step 3. Keep it snappy. In the world of social media, attention spans are short, and it's important to create content that captures the attention of your audience quickly. This means keeping your videos short and engaging, with quick cuts and dynamic visuals that keep viewers interested. In this course, we'll show you how to edit your videos to maximize engagement and ensure that your content stands out on social media. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to create snappy, engaging videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. You'll learn how to use editing techniques to create videos that are both engaging and effective. Short, engaging videos are your ticket to virality. The key to success on social media is to create content that captures the attention of your audience quickly and keeps them engaged. This means using quick cuts, dynamic visuals, and engaging storytelling techniques to create videos that stand out. In this course, we'll show you how to create short, engaging videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to create videos that not only look great, but also perform well on social media. You'll discover how to use storytelling techniques to create compelling content that resonates with your audience. And the best part? invideo-io's AI suggests the perfect edits to keep viewers hooked. The AI tools provided by invideo are designed to analyze your content and suggest edits that enhance the overall look and feel of your videos. This means you can spend less time editing and more time creating. In this course, we'll show you how to use these tools to create videos that not only look great but also perform well on social media. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage AI to create engaging, high-quality videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. You'll learn how to use AI to optimize your editing process and create videos that keep viewers engaged. invideo-io's AI suggests the perfect edits to keep viewers hooked. The AI tools provided by invideo are designed to analyze your content and suggest edits that enhance the overall look and feel of your videos. This means you can spend less time editing and more time creating. In this course, we'll show you how to use these tools to create videos that not only look great but also perform well on social media. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage AI to create engaging, high-quality videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. You'll discover how to use AI to make your videos more engaging and effective. Finally, publish and promote. Once you've created your video, the next step is to publish it and promote it across multiple platforms. This means sharing your content on social media, engaging with your audience, and using various marketing strategies to maximize your reach. In this course, we'll show you how to publish and promote your videos to ensure that they reach the widest possible audience. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage social media and other marketing channels to promote your content and drive traffic to your videos. You'll learn how to use different marketing strategies to increase the visibility of your content and reach a larger audience. Share your content across multiple platforms to maximize reach. The key to success on social media is to ensure that your content reaches the widest possible audience. This means sharing your videos on multiple platforms, engaging with your audience, and using various marketing strategies to promote your content. In this course, we'll show you how to share your content across multiple platforms to maximize your reach and ensure that your videos get the attention they deserve. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage social media and other marketing channels to promote your content and drive traffic to your videos. You'll discover how to use social media effectively to promote your videos and increase your reach. So, ready to make $900 a day with viral AI shorts? The potential to earn a substantial income through online platforms has never been greater, and with the right tools and strategies, you can tap into this lucrative market and start generating significant revenue. AI in video is one such tool that can help you achieve this goal effortlessly. In this course, we'll show you how to harness the power of AI in video to create engaging, high-quality videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage AI in video to maximize your earnings and achieve your financial goals. You'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to create content that generates substantial income. Check out our full course on InVideo and start creating today. This course is designed to provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed in the world of online content creation. From identifying trending topics to crafting visually stunning videos, we'll guide you through every step of the process. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage AI in video to create engaging, high-quality videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. Don't wait. Your viral success is just a click away. You'll gain the confidence and skills to create content that stands out and drives traffic to your videos. Don't wait. Your viral success is just a click away. And don't forget to check the description below for a 50% discount link. This course is designed to provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed in the world of online content creation. From identifying trending topics to crafting visually stunning videos, we'll guide you through every step of the process. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to leverage AI in video to create engaging, high-quality videos that capture the attention of your audience and drive traffic to your content. Don't wait, your viral success is just a click away. And don't forget to check the description below for a 50% discount link. You'll be on your way to creating viral content and achieving your financial goals in no time. In this chapter, we'll dive deeper into the strategies and tools you can use to create viral AI shorts. Remember, the journey to earning money online starts with taking the first step. Let's explore some success stories and practical tips to get you started. First, let's hear from Sarah, a content creator who transformed her side hustle into a full-time career with the help of AI and video. Sarah was initially struggling to gain traction on social media. She spent hours creating and editing videos, but her content just wasn't getting the attention it deserved. That all changed when she discovered AI in video. The platform's AI tools helped her identify trending topics and create visually stunning videos that resonated with her audience. Within a few months, Sarah's videos started going viral, and she saw a significant increase in her followers and engagement. Today, Sarah earns over $900 a day from her viral AI shorts, and she credits AI in video for her success. Next, let's talk about practical tips you can use to create your own viral AI shorts. Tip number 1. Consistency is key. Posting regularly and maintaining a consistent style helps build a loyal audience. Use AI in video's scheduling tools to plan and automate your content, ensuring that you always have fresh videos ready to go. Tip number 2. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to share your videos. Building a community around your content increases the chances of your videos being shared and going viral. Tip number 3. Optimize for each platform. Different social media platforms have different requirements and best practices. Use AI in video's platform-specific templates and optimization tools to ensure that your videos perform well on every platform, from TikTok to Instagram to YouTube Shorts. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and take risks. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Use AI in video's analytics tools to track the performance of your videos and make data-driven decisions about your content strategy. By following these tips and leveraging the power of AI in video, you'll be well on your way to creating viral content that captures the attention of your audience and drives traffic to your videos. The potential to earn a substantial income through online platforms has never been greater. And with the right tools and strategies, you can tap into this lucrative market and start generating significant revenue. So are you ready to take the first step towards creating your own viral AI shorts? Let's get started. Now that you have the tools and strategies, it's time to put them into action. Consistency is key. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to fail. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Let's look at some advanced techniques to optimize your content for virality. First, let's talk about the use of AI-driven analytics. AI in video offers powerful analytics tools that help you understand your audience better. These tools can identify patterns in viewer behavior, such as which parts of your videos are most engaging or where viewers tend to drop off. Use this data to refine your content and make it more engaging. Next, consider leveraging AI for real-time trend analysis. Staying on top of trends is crucial for virality. AI and video can monitor social media platforms and highlight trending topics that align with your niche. By creating content around these trends, you increase the chances of your videos being shared and going viral. Another advanced technique is A/B testing. Create multiple versions of your video with slight variations in thumbnails, titles, or descriptions. Use AI and video's A/B testing tools to see which version performs better and optimize accordingly. This method ensures that you're always putting out the best possible content. Don't underestimate the power of collaborations. Partnering with other content creators can expose your videos to a broader audience. Use AI and video to identify potential collaborators whose audience aligns with yours. Collaborative videos often perform well because they bring together diverse viewerships. Lastly, focus on enhancing the emotional appeal of your videos. AI and video can analyze the emotional tone of your content and suggest improvements. Videos that evoke strong emotions are more likely to be shared and remembered. Whether it's humor, inspiration, or empathy, make sure your videos connect with your audience on a deeper level. By incorporating these advanced techniques, you'll be well equipped to create content that stands out and goes viral. Remember, the digital landscape is always evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning and adaptation. So keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity and let AI and video be your guide on this exciting journey to success. Are you ready to take your content to the next level? Let's dive in and start creating viral AI shorts that captivate and inspire. As we wrap up this course, remember that the journey to earning $900 a day or more online is possible with dedication and the right approach. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep pushing forward. Your success story is just around the corner. Let's summarize the key takeaways and next steps. First, always start with a clear plan. Knowing your niche, target audience, and content strategy is crucial. Use AI and video to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. Second, consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content increases your chances of going viral. Utilize AI-driven analytics to refine your videos and keep your audience engaged. Third, stay on top of trends. AI and video's real-time trend analysis helps you create timely and relevant content that resonates with viewers. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt. Fourth, leverage the power of A/B testing. By creating multiple versions of your content, you can determine what works best and continuously improve your videos. Fifth, collaborations can amplify your reach. Partnering with other creators introduces your content to new audiences and boosts your chances of virality. Lastly, focus on the emotional appeal of your videos. Content that connects on an emotional level is more likely to be shared and remembered. Use AI and video's emotional analysis to enhance your storytelling. With these strategies, you're well equipped to create viral AI shorts that captivate and inspire. The digital landscape is ever evolving, so stay curious and keep learning. Your journey to success is just beginning. Embrace it with enthusiasm and determination. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Now go out there and create something amazing. Your viral success awaits.